In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add personalization box on Shopify 5 minutes. By the end, you'll have a clean text box on your product page where customers can enter names, dates, or special notes before they add an item to the cart. No coding, and it works with most themes. Start by signing into your Shopify admin. From the left-hand menu, go to Online Store. This is where theme settings and storefront customizations live, and it's the quickest path to tools that extend your product pages. Next, open the Shopify App Store. If you're prompted to confirm your account, go ahead and log in. In the search bar, type PX Variants. We're looking for an app that lets you add product options and personalization fields without touching code. In the results, select PX Variants and Product Options. This app is designed to place extra fields directly on your product pages, and it passes the information into the order so you and your customer see the same personalization details. Click Install and approve any permissions so the app can connect to your storefront. After the install completes, click Open to launch the app. Inside the app, choose the product you want to personalize. Pick something simple first, like a mug or a necklace, so you can preview the result quickly. You can always come back and add more products later. Click Add to create a new option for that product. This is where you define how the personalization box will appear. Select Instruction Text. This displays a clear prompt on the product page, which helps customers understand exactly what to type. Think of it as your inline guide. For example, enter the name to engrave or type your gift message. Now add your details. Give the instruction a concise title and description that match your product's tone. Use placeholder text to show an example like Emily, or up to 25 characters. If the personalization is required to fulfill the item, turn on the required option so shoppers can't check out without filling it in. Set a character limit to prevent overly long entries and reduce production errors. If your store serves multiple regions, keep your language simple and clear so it's easy to translate later. When everything looks good, save your changes. That's it. Your product now shows a personalization prompt and text field right on the page. Open the product in your storefront to confirm the field appears. Try entering a test message and add it to the cart to make sure the note flows into the order. If you need to adjust the wording, spacing, or limits, hop back into the app and edit the option you created. You've successfully added a personalization box to your Shopify product.